Hey, we making nail growth oil today. I'm gonna show you how my nails grew long, strong, and healthy. Now, usually my nails are way too soft. They always chip soon as I get a little piece of nail. But baby, after using this oil, I was able to grow my own nails nice and long with no chips either. Wanna see how I made this oil? Let's go. First, we gotta get set up. You know, making these oils can get real messy. Now, I'ma have easy cleanup. Getting that water ready. I'm warming it now so it won't take so long. I'll show you the double boiler method in a minute. Time for those oils. Olive oil, extra virgin that is, 2 tablespoons. I use olive oil all the time around here. Got a bottle for my food and a separate bottle for my hair. Coconut oil, 1 teaspoon. It's unrefined. Yup. Getting all that oil out that spoon. We ain't wasting nothing around here. Gotta warm the oils. Double boiler method. This what I told you about earlier. Did you know that heat helps with allowing the oils to penetrate the surface better? I always use heat when I apply my oils. That's the coconut oil. I'm waiting for it to melt. Olive oil and coconut oil for my nails care. Why? I'ma tell you. Olive oil is one of my key oils that can help my nails grow. It's a carrier oil. It could penetrate the surface. It adds crazy moisture. It helps prevent my nails from cracking. It helps keep my cuticles healthy. Coconut oil. When I have damaged cuticles and cracked, dry nails, this oil helps with repairing those issues. It also helps with stimulating my nail growth. Hey, essential oils. I usually use with the carrier oil. The carrier oil I'm using today is olive oil. Lang Lang. For the nails, it helps stimulate my nail growth. Just a small amount is all I need. Rosemary essential oil. That's one of my favorites. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It helps relieve any current nail and skin irritations. Also, it helps with preventing some nail and skin related diseases too. Baby, talking about prevention? Yup. I use rosemary oil a lot around here. Nah, I'm gonna pour it in the glass bottle for storage. Quick tip: Lang Lang oil and rosemary oil, sometimes these essential oils are best used with the carrier oil. And I already mentioned that today my carrier oil is olive oil, okay? This bottle, I recycled it. My old apple cider vinegar bottle. Yep, it works perfect for my nail growth oil. Yeah, this one of my favorite bottles. For best results, gotta make sure those hands clean. I always start off with a clean slate. This nail brush, man, I lost it. Can't find another one. You know where I can buy this again? Leave a comment below and let me know. Time to soak my nails. "5 minutes will do." Hey, this warm oil feels so good to my whole hands. It's the perfect time for me to pamper myself with a good old hand massage. Soaking, soaking, soaking. Around 5 to 10 minutes. I spend a lot of time on this massage. It feels good and I want my nails to get the maximum absorption. See how I'm taking it down my fingers and on my hands too. All this makes my cuticles happy. And my hands too. Great for stimulation. Nah, I gotta take my time on this real important part for my nail growth. Okay? This massage and all this rubbing around, yeah, that helps with nail growth. Next, plastic gloves, 30 minutes, then rinse it out. Hey, after 6 weeks, the growth. Doing my manicure before using my nail growth oil again. I used it every day for 6 whole weeks. Now, after the oil, I put on my hand moisturizing cream. That seals in the moisture. Yup, I make my own hand moisturizer too. Want to see how I made it? Be sure to click the link after this video, okay? I'll put it right here.